Hi students, this is Suprasad. Now I am explaining about geometrical representation of the elements. To draw the geometrical representation of the elements, we have to know about electronic configuration of the elements. Last class we have already discussed about electronic configuration of the elements. By taking the electronic configuration of the elements, we can easily draw the geometrical representations. First element is hydrogen. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. So one electron should be represented with the help of Lewis dot structure like a cross. So 1s1. Second element is helium. Its electronic configuration is 1s2. It should be represented with the help of 2 electrons in first shell only. Third element is lithium. Its electronic configuration 1s2 and 2s1. So it has 2 shells, first shell and second shell. In first shell it has 2 electrons and in second shell it has 1 electron. Totally 3 electrons are there. Fourth element is beryllium. 1s2 and also 2s2. First shell has 2 electrons and second shell also 2 electrons. Fifth element is boron. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. So second shell has 3 electrons. Actually we know that first shell electrons also called as K shell electrons and second shell electrons called as L shell. So this is first shell only. This is called K shell. K shell. Here K shell having 2 electrons and L shell having 1 electron. Now in this case K shell this is L shell. So K shell having 2 electrons, L shell having 3 electrons. That's why we can represent this is the shortcut electronic configuration 2, 3. Sixth element is carbon. Carbon symbol is C. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p also 2. So it has 2 shells, first shell and second shell. First shell has 2 electrons, second shell has 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Seventh element is nitrogen. Its electronic configuration we know already 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So first shell, second shell. This is called first shell is known as K shell. This is K shell. This is L shell. So K shell has 2 electrons and L shell has 3 electrons. Now representation is first shell is having 2 electrons, second shell is having 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the nucleus. The central point of an atom is known as nucleus. Next oxygen. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So it has 2 shells. First shell has 2 electrons. Second shell has 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is called K shell. K shell has 2 electrons and L shell has 6 electrons. Next one is fluorine. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. First shell has 2 electrons, that is K shell, and second shell has 7 electrons, that is L shell. First shell has 2 electrons and second shell has 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 10th element is neon. It is a noble gas. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. K shell has 2 electrons. L shell has 8 electrons. Geometrical representation. First shell has 2 electrons and second shell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Totally 10 electrons in neon. So this is the geometrical representation of 1 to 10 elements. 11th element is sodium. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. So it has first shell is K shell having 2 electrons, second shell is L shell has 8 electrons and third shell this is M shell has 1 electron. So we can represent this is like 2, 8 and 1. This is the shortcut electronic configuration of the sodium. And according to geometrical representation, first shell, second shell and third shell. First shell has 2 electrons, second shell has 8 electrons, third shell has 1 electron. So this is the outermost shell. Outermost shell is having only 1 electron. 12th element is magnesium. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. K shell having 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons and M shell has 2 electrons. So we can represent shortcut electronic configuration 2, 8 and 2. It can be represented as first shell, second shell and third shell. First shell has 2 electrons, second shell has 8 electrons and third shell has 2 electrons. 2, 8, 2 is shortcut electronic configuration. But according to magnesium having 12 electrons, all the 12 electrons are according to its geometrical representation. Magnesium has 2 electrons in first shell, 8 electrons in second shell and 2 electrons in third shell. That's why the valency of magnesium is 2. Last shell electrons, only 2 electrons are there. That is the valency of magnesium. 13th element is aluminum. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 6, 3s2, 3p1. K shell has 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons and M shell has 3 electrons. So it is geometrical representation of aluminum. Next element is silicon. Silicon atomic number is 14. It has 14 electrons. So look at the electronic configuration of silicon. K shell has 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons and M shell has 4 electrons. So it is a geometrical representation of silicon. Next, 15th element is phosphorus. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p3. K shell has 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons and M shell has 5 electrons. So shortcut electronic configuration we can write 2, 8, 5. Next element is sulfur. Sulfur atomic number is 16. It has 16 electrons and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 6, 3s2, 3p4. K shell has 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons and M shell has 6 electrons. It is a representation of the element. Next, chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17 and it is the electronic configuration and representation of the chlorine. 18th one is argon. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. K shell has 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons and M shell has also 8 electrons. So the shortcut electronic configuration of argon is 2, 8 and also 8. Next element is potassium. Potassium atomic number is 19. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s1. K shell has 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons and M also 8 electrons and N shell is only 1 electron. That's why the shortcut representation of the electronic configuration 2, 8, 8 and 1. So this is the representation of potassium. And 20th is calcium. Calcium atomic number is 20. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. So it has, in K shell has 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons and M shell also 8 electrons and N shell 2 electrons. So it's shortcut electronic configuration 2, 8, 8 and also 2. This is the geometrical representation of the calcium. So from 1 to 20 elements, just we know how to draw the geometrical representation of the elements. So here we can write all the elements shortcut electronic configuration also. For example, for neon 2, 8, sodium 2, 8, 1. For example, for phosphorus having 15 electrons, so 2, 8, 5. Sulfur 2, 8, 6. Chlorine 2, 8, 7. For argon 2, 8, 8. So by using all these electronic configurations, we will get a shortest representation of the elements. Students, I am giving a question. How many valence shell electrons in potassium? Please put answer in the message box. Hi students, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.